Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now by confirming the phone is unlocked and has at least 20% battery. You do not need extras. Once ready, go straight to Settings and open Security or Lock Screen. This is where change controls live. If you use a PIN or pattern, make sure you remember it because the phone will ask to verify you first. You're not setting a new password yet, you're preparing the verified path. Make sure notifications won't interrupt the process by silencing them briefly. You'll now verify identity. Tap Change Screen Lock and enter your current PIN, pattern, or password when prompted. This step prevents accidental lockouts. Once verified, pick a new method, choose PIN for quick access, a longer password for stronger security, or a pattern if that's your habit. If you choose PIN or password, the UI shows length and complexity rules. Follow them. After selecting, set the code and confirm it twice so the system accepts the new credential without errors. Once you enter and confirm the new code, adjust screen timeout and notification visibility to match your privacy needs. You should immediately lock the phone and test unlocking 2 to 3 times to ensure the code works and biometrics. If enabled, fall back correctly. If anything fails, don't panic. Use the device's official recovery flow or account-based reset tied to your email to regain access. Make sure you write the recovery method down somewhere secure, because that's the only safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.